This is going to be another unboxing video, even though it's not in the box, it's kind of in the bag. And don't mind the background noise because it is my dishwasher. So let's get started. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Let's try to do this. Hello. Oh goody, it's all wrapped up in this. It's like a Christmas present. I can't read that language. I think it's Moscow from Moscow. It said that on the package, but I'm not going to read it. It's just bubble wrap. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god, did this person take the crap out of this while I'm trying to do a video? There you go. Oh, I gotta get this side too. Hold on. Alright. This is kind of hard to do, guys, with one hand. And they taped the crap out of it. Okay. I think this is the hardest unboxing video I ever had to do. Alright. Hold on. Alright. Hopefully there's no more tape, because I can't handle any more tape. Oh my god, there's more tape. It's like the never-ending tape. I should have got scissors or something for this. Like, seriously. Did you ever see somebody struggle this much? It's probably entertaining as hell for someone to struggle with a bag. Okay. So, it is my Halloween Pokemon. Oh, I guess these are stickers or something? Or ads for them? Keychains. That's what these look like. And then you open them up and it tells you what kind they are, but we're not going to do all that because I already had a hard time. But those are the things that came with it. And here they are in here. So we have Gang, which is pretty cool. And they're so tiny, like, oh my god, ridiculously tiny. Okay, and then Pikachu is a fairy? A witch? Oh, a witch. Okay, that's a witch. And then Beware. And a pumpkin. How adorable. My ultimate favorite. This is why I wanted to get it. This one's even smaller. It's Mimikyu. He's mimicking a pumpkin inside of a pumpkin too. That's adorable. And last but not least, another Pikachu. As he's a pumpkin. How cute are these? They're keychains too, so they're pretty cool. God bless me. Alright, that's all of them, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you